Snappsy the Aligator and His Best Friend Forever, probably, by Julie Falatko. Pictures by Tim Miller.
Squeak, squeak, squeak. Snappsy the Alligator was the most interesting reptile in the whole world. He was taller than the tallest tree. He delighted crowds at the jamboree. And once, he jumped over 23 cars on his scooter. He's my very best friend.
Thanks, but I think you're exaggerating.
We met at a party, and now we do everything together.
Actually, I'm going into town to run errands by myself.
Wouldn't it be more fun to have a best friends disco bonanza? And when we get tired from all this dancing, we can have a sleepover.
It's 10 o'clock in the morning.
Snappsy the Alligator led his very best friend in a conga line all the way to...
I have to stop at the library to return these books.
Perfect! We need to plan for our best friend's sleepover.
I prefer quiet evenings alone.
Snappsy the Alligator, who only occasionally stayed at home by himself, set off to plan for a night of fun with his very best friend.
I want to check out the new smoothie place.
Smoothies are for a morning of boring. Let's stop for popcorn. Scary movies. You know what else is fun to do at a sleepover? Wear pizza on our heads.
What? I'm just here to buy vegetables.
Now we can do what best friends do. Let's play panache.
What's that?
Here are the hats. Braid my hair.
How? I did not agree to any of this.
Sure you did. I'm your BFF. You can tell we're BFFs because we have these shirts.
Who's Bert?
Me. I am.
You never told me you had a name.
You never asked.
Oh.
Now do you want to sing and karaoke with me?
Not really.
Do you want to put on temporary tattoos with me?
Definitely not.
But this is what happens at a sleepover.
I did not ask to have a sleepover. I like sleeping by myself. I did not ask for a best friend. I invited you to one party and you never left. All the other guests went home weeks ago and you're still here.
Oh, so you don't want to wear matching pizzas on our heads?
I do not.
I see. I guess I'll go home then. I'm sure I can find another best friend somewhere.
Thank you. Now I can read in peace. Then again, I've always wanted to try painting. Maybe I'll have a snack. Oh, for heaven's sake.
Oh, hello. I happen to be in the neighborhood and...
I have something for you.
Oh, well... A sleepover? I'll have to reschedule my swim lessons, but only if you want to.
I do. Turns out it's more fun with you around.
I get that a lot. I bought you this gift. Pears, peaches, pineapple, pizza.
To wear on my head?
For smoothies and to eat.
Oh, thank you, Bert. I do love smoothies and pizza.
And Snappsy the Alligator and his BFF had a lovely evening doing all the things best friends do. They had such a wonderful time that they decided Bert should move in.
What?
Squeak, squeak, hey, me, squeak.